Hello and welcome to MIDAS Tutorials. This tutorial covers the customization of various templates which you can find in MIDAS starting with version 3.12. The first and most obvious template is the customized message which appears to your users on the login screen here. To customize this with specific information relating to your operation, we need to log in as an administrator. Next we go to MIDAS admin options. Then from the drop-down we select Manage MIDAS and click on the Templates tab. In this tab you'll see there's a number of different templates listed across the top here that we can customize. So we're going to customize the welcome note on the front page. So we select welcome note. We then get a preview window showing how this template currently looks, and a template code editor beneath it allowing us to change the content of this template. So for example, if I want to get rid of some of the text and just keep the sources of help portion, I can delete that section there, and let's get rid of that tip at the bottom. And that horizontal line. And let's put a little welcome note at the top. Welcome to the online booking system for my company. Please log in with your credentials above. And you can see that as we change this code, the preview window above updates. So you can use HTML code in your templates if you're familiar with it, and we've also provided you with some special variables which you can insert as well to do different things. Available variables are listed below here. So for example, if I use the version variable in my template, it will substitute the variable for actual data. So version will insert the current MIDAS version. So if I change welcome to the online booking system to welcome to the version online booking system, you'll see the templates updated to now show welcome to the version 3.12 online booking system. One of the most useful variables is the logo variable. This allows you to display your own company logo in various places in MIDAS. As you can see in our code, I've included this right at the end of our template, and so subsequently our company logo appears in the template. Now to use this variable, you need to add your logo to MIDAS. This should be in a PNG format, and whilst there are no restrictions placed on the dimensions of this image, we'd suggest something around the region of 200 pixels by 70 pixels. Once you have your image, you simply need to place it in your MIDAS directory on your server in the IMG or images folder. Then whenever you use the logo variable, your logo will be displayed. So I'm happy with my template now, so I click Save Changes. If I log out, you'll see the template on the front page has now updated. So that's the welcome note template. If I log back in and again load the template page, let's now have a look at the print template. Again, very similar to the welcome note template, but you'll see there's more special variables available for this. For example, the variable heading. Now when you generate printouts in MIDAS, obviously the heading at the top of the printout can change depending on the date or the client that you're printing for. So by including the variable heading, MIDAS will substitute this when it prints out for the relevant data. Now the most important variable to note in these templates is the content variable. This indicates that this is the point in the template where you want the MIDAS generated content to appear. So for example, in the print template, everything above the content variable will appear at the top of the printout. Anything below will appear at the bottom. And again, we can see this in the preview. So where it says main content appears here, this will be where your MIDAS generated content automatically appears. And you can customize everything above and below. The same applies to invoice templates. Again, note there's new special variables for invoicing, and email templates. In earlier versions of MIDAS, any emails sent from within the program were sent in plain text. In version 3.12, MIDAS now automatically sends emails in both plain text and HTML format. Again, remember to include the content variable at some point in your template. If the content variable is omitted, MIDAS will simply insert its generated content right at the end of your template. Finally, the web requests template allows you to customize the public booking requests screen. Now, public booking requests are covered in more depth in a further video tutorial, which you can check out via our website. And this concludes our tutorial on templates.